Monarchs, who has a Valentine's Day already? If you do, like this video, and if you don't worry, I'll be your Valentine. Welcome to another video. If you would like to see how I did these, continue on watching. I got this kit off of Amazon, which the last time I checked, it's sold out. Did you guys sell this out? Anyways, this kit comes with nail glue, a UV lamp, a nail tip cutter, and nail tips. I have my nails prepped and ready to go, using my electric nail filer to file down the tips. Look at these. I found them on my nearest Walmart and thought they would be so cute to use, although they aren't the best, but it does the work. Plus, they get away with being cute. Using the nail filer to file down my actual nails. Now, using the nail glue to apply the first nail, look closely as to how I apply it. It helps a lot, I promise. First nail done, let's continue with the rest. Using my Kiss nail tip cutter to cut the tips to my desired length. I've been loving those short nails, but I know I will be going 360 next time, so stay tuned. Time to buff out the shine to prep them for nail polish. Dust off all that residue. Using a black nail polish and a clear top coat, just watch and enjoy. It's gonna take a while, but sit back, have some popcorn. Since I want a translucent black, I will be adding black to the clear top coat polish. After my black nail polish is 95% empty, I got the tone I wanted. I did do 2 coats to achieve the perfect color. I am going to be applying my matte top coat to all of my nails. Now for the fun part, using this red Sally Hansen in the name Radical Rockstar, adding a few drops to the palette as well as the original black nail polish. I will be using my dotting tool to create the hearts. This is how they turned out to be, curing them to make sure they are set and ready. This is the final result. I was trying something new. Don't know how I feel. I'm just kidding. I love them. Let me know what you guys think of the nail. To be honest, they kind of look like Mickey Mouse ears from an angle, but I truly love this set. It's one of my favorites. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! Happy Valentine's! I hope you have a wonderful time, and make sure to love yourself first. Bye!